Okay children, so next the continuation of 11th part. So in the 11th part we discussed about midpoint formula and centroid formula and section formula. So in the section formula, when we are doing problems, I will explain what is trisection. So at that time I will explain. First, based on these remaining two formulas, the first one they will ask, find the midpoint of the line joining the points A 2, 5 and B. So here 6, 3. So they given 2 points. Very easy solution, and given points A is equals to 2, 5, B is equals to 6, 3. So here what we are going to find out? Midpoint formula. Midpoint of A and B is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is x1 2, x2 6 by 2, 5 plus 3 by 2, that is equals to 8 by 2, 8 by 2. 2 4s are, that is equal to 4, 4. Therefore, the midpoint of AB is 4, 4. So this is children. So how to find out the midpoint of the line which is joining with the given 2 points. So this is very carefully. So if simply they will ask, we can do like this, but sometimes they will give twisting questions, or sometimes they will ask indirect questions. We will see one more problem how they will ask that. Right, so like this. See, find the value or otherwise if the midpoint of A and B is 4, 4. If the points A 3, 5, B x, 3, then find x. See here in the before question we find out just simply if they will give points, just we find out midpoint. But here they given midpoint and they given 2 points. In that they are using one variable. Means if here there is a number, if here number is there, if you find out the midpoint of these 2, you will get 4, 4. Then what is the value of x? Means simply what we can understand, the midpoint of AB is equal to 4, 4. So according to the C. A is equals to 3 comma 5, B x comma 3. Right, the midpoint of AB is equals to how much given? 4 comma 4. Let's take midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by that is equals to 4 comma. See children here, x1 3, x2 x only because we don't know what is the x2 value by 2 comma y1 5 y2 3 by 2 that is equal to 4 comma 4. Now 3 plus x by 2 let it be 5 plus 3 8 by 2 is equals to 4 comma 4. So here 3 plus x only because here variable constant we cannot add 1s and 4s. 3 plus x by 2 comma 4 is equal to 4 comma 4. See where we are getting 2 points with the equal symbol, the corresponding coordinates are equal, means this is equal to this one, this is equal to this one. Already 4 both are equal. Then we have to make these two are equal, means 3 plus x by 2 is equals to 4. Right? 3 plus x is equal to cross multiplication. 4 2s are 8, then x is equal to 8 minus 3, then x is equal to 5. Therefore, the x value is equals to 5. So, if x plus 5 is there, the midpoint we will get 4 comma 4. This is one type of the problem. Sometimes they will give like so here, sometimes another type question. See here. So, other type question. Find x and y if the center of circle is 3 comma 2 and one end point of diameter is 3 comma 4. Very carefully. See children here, once question. We have to find out x comma y. So, this x comma y is other end point of the diameter. Other end point of the diameter. They will give question the question. See? So, here center of circle, how much given? O is equals to 3 comma 2. Then the diameter of the circle A and B means A is x comma y, B is 3 comma 4 given. If you take circle, this is the diameter, this one is center O, this is A, this is B, this is x comma y, this one is 3 comma 4. Then what is the condition of diameter including with the center children? So we know that exactly the midpoint is called center of the diameter. So here, right, the midpoint AB is equal to center, right. So AB midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, that is equals to, next center is 3 comma 2. That is x1 is x plus x2 is 3 by 2, y1 is y plus y2 is 4 by 2, that is equal to 3 comma 9. Now already I told you, when we are getting equality symbol, right, corresponding coordinates are equal. This is and this one is. So x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 3 and y plus 4 by 2 is equal to 3. Right, so cross multiplication, x plus 3 is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 minus 3, x is equal to 2. Then y plus 4 is equal to 4, then y is equal to 4 minus 4, y is equal to 0. So this is to find out x and y values. So this is how to we will use midpoint formula, children. So next in the next class we will discuss about then centroid of the triangle or section formula.